It's the inbound chic for me. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry.
I'm like, damn, you so fine, girl. What is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius. I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend. Hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Wait, I don't bite. And for today's video, it's a very special video. I'm going to do a fashion try-on haul for this new up and coming all black owned, woman owned brand called Inbound Chic. So this video is like way overdue. This brand came out maybe I think like 2 or 3 months ago. And from the day that I seen that this brand dropped, like when I tell y'all, clothes been selling out like this. Like, I finally got my hands on a few of these pieces, and y'all, when I tell y'all that I am glad, right? I thought I was a MILF before. Like, these clothes scream MILF, okay? They are extremely affordable, extremely comfortable, extremely soft, extremely cute. It is fast fashion, so you gotta get it while it's hot, y'all. You gotta get it while it's hot. But without further ado, let's get on piece number 1. Alright, so this is outfit number 1. This is the Dolly 2-piece. Super duper cute. I'm not sure if you guys can see the detail. Again, it is a 2-piece. Let me just pull it down a little bit. The top has a nice zipper and this nice cut right here. Y'all see a little mommy pouch? A nice cut right here. There's a nice like crop top. Sorry, my bra is like all bunched up under there, but super cute. You have the liberty to zip it up all the way or keep it, you know, a little cute so you can show the Gianna and Caleb necklace, you feel me? The pants are high waist. This outfit is super duper soft. Going back to the jacket, you have the liberty to keep it unzipped or you can zip it down. Okay, zipping it down is a bit of a hassle for me right now, but you do have the liberty to do so and keep it closed or keep it open. And on my favorite leg kick, as well as the leg, you have the liberty to zip it up or down. This is super cute. I actually saw the CEO of this brand wear this like the airport, so I definitely think it's like an airport fit. You can definitely wear this to just run errands, do whatever you have to do, but this fits me super cute. You can even see my little new mom hips. Okay. Ow. The color is nothing I've ever seen before or even owned in my closet. Like, this outfit is a vibe. But let's try on outfit number 2. So next, this is the Inbound Chic olive sweatsuit. Guys, I don't think this color ever goes out of style when like the fall season comes about. This sweatsuit is super soft and super lightweight. I've never been in any kind of like sweatsuit that feels like this. Super duper lightweight. I really love the detail, like how the arm, the seam is like going vertically and then it cuts across right above the elbow. The drawstring is pretty long, which is a vibe. Let me just tie it up real quick. I also really like the detail of the drawstring down here as well. So you could scrunch it up like this or just leave it regular. The choice is yours. And y'all know how your girl feels about pockets. I love sweatpants that have pockets. Again, I do not carry a bag ever since I had my daughter, so everything is just straight either in my pocket or in a baby bag. So this is a vibe. The ankle of the pants do scrunch up. It's not really tight and it's not loose, so it's kind of like in between. I don't know what you're gonna call that, but this outfit is truly a vibe. I love it. So now let's try on outfit number 3. Alright, y'all, I'm not going to lie. Outfit number 3, okay? Took me some time to get into it, but your girl did it, alright? I'm here. Your girl is here. This corset top is a vibe. Let me get the name for y'all. This is the corset top in black. I believe she also sells it in white. Y'all, okay? Y'all. Whoever waist trains, let me tell you something. I commend you. I put this thing on and I was just like, what the hell is going on here, okay? This had me reconsidering my life. But this, look how it just cinches the waist. This looks amazing. The material of the shirt part is really soft, really nice. I like the way it kind of like makes my chest sit up. so nice, and you should get it back. Okay. Whoa. This is super, super, super sexy. This is exactly why I said Inbound Chic makes me feel like a MILF. Like, it makes me feel like I'm like a sophisticated woman, but like I'm gonna give you sexy all at the same time. You know what I'm saying? This is not a one piece. I just put on these bicycle shorts just because I couldn't put anything else up underneath the corset, and I wasn't about to just undo it again to put on pants. So words of advice, guys, whoever buys this corset top, make sure that you put on your bottom first and then the top, because it's just a no from me. But it's super cute. Really, really, really love it. All right, so this is item number 4. Well, actually 4 and 5. The jeans are also from Inbound Chic, but I'm going to show you guys the top first. This is the, I believe it's called like the Lace Me Up top. Yep, this is called the Lace Me Up top, giving sexy, okay? Like, I really, really love this top. One thing about this top that I did not admire so much is that I had to lace it up myself, which was pretty easy, but you know, I'm lazy. Like, I ain't got time for that. This top is so cute. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I like the, what is it called? Like the inside out seam. Really, really nice. Got your girl mom boobs looking real cute or whatever. This top is such a vibe. Am I the only one that doesn't know what to do with like lace tops? Like, do you leave it here? Do you like kind of pin it and tuck it? Like, what do you do? I kind of find that the way I tied it was a little sloppy. I mean, I'm not going anywhere right now, but let me know in the comments down below, like, how would you tie this, and like, what would you do with this part, or is it fine? Am I overthinking it? But now let's move on to the jeans, guys. If you are my Instagram friend, you are not surprised to see these jeans. These are the asymmetrical mom jeans. I know why they call them mom jeans, okay? Because it hides the mommy pouch. These jeans are such a vibe. These were actually the first and only things that I have bought from Inbound Chic, because like I said, everything sells out so freaking quickly, like it's ridiculous. So these are the only things I was able to get my hands on, and when I tell y'all these jeans are a vibe, y'all, like, oh my gosh. Let me go down. Check out the detail. I love the fact that the jeans are literally asymmetrical. So this back waist area is up, and then you pin this part down. It has a bunch of buttons going down in here, so there's no zipper. The butt is looking on mom. Real flat. The jeans are high waist. They come up pretty high. Really love these jeans, and the ankle part is, I don't know if these are like called wide leg, but they're definitely not skinny. These jeans are a vibe, guys. Literally, they're one of my favorite pairs of jeans. I can wear these with heels, I can wear them with sandals, and again, if you have me on Instagram, you definitely see me rock these jeans with a pair of heels. Love them. I have one more outfit to show you guys. And last but not least, this is the long time coming romper. It is a shorts romper. I'm not sure if you can see, but it stops right here, a little ways above my knees, and this romper is a vibe. It's a nice ribbed material. I like that right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, kind of gives like the boob effect. I'm trying to put my boobs under it though. But this is really, really cute. Has this nice little detail in the front, nice little Velcro. Definitely would not leave it open, but I do like that that detail is there. Again, the back detail, let me see if I can see it. There's like a seam that kind of cups right under the butt to really accentuate your little butt. If you have a little booty like me, kind of makes it like lift up a little bit. Definitely gives sexy. And after watching one of Kinesthetic's like fall fashion, some type of video she had, she was saying that chocolate is definitely in the season. And I just knew I had to get me like a chocolate colored something in my closet, because I have nothing that's chocolate colored. Super duper love it. But that'll be it for this Inbound Chic haul. Again, guys, woman owned and black owned. You cannot fail with this, okay? Customer service is immaculate. Shipping was great. I got my items within a week, and I'm like really in love. Really, really, really and truly in love with these outfits. They scream sexy. They cover you up, but it's not revealing too much. Definitely right up my alley. Messed up my hair trying on all these outfits, but whatever. It's the Inbound Chic for me. I just want to thank you guys all for tuning in. Make sure that you go down in my description box below and click on any of these outfits that I have. I'm going to tag the outfits that I had along with my size as well as the URL, so you guys can also get yourselves some inbound chic, okay? But until I see you guys in the next one, I love you all. Bye.